Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click. Today in this video we'll show you how to remove page numbers from certain pages in Word so you can customize your document layout easily. Step 1. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, type Word, and press Enter to open Microsoft Word. Once it opens, select Blank Document to create a new file. Step 2. Click at the top of the screen and select the View tab. From the options, click on the navigation pane to enable it, which helps you easily move between pages in your document. Step 3. Now create multiple pages by pressing the Ctrl and Enter keys together to add several pages quickly for testing page numbering. Step 4. Select the first page in your document, then click on the Insert tab at the top. Go to Header and Footer, select Page Number, and choose the position where you want the page numbers to appear. Step 5. Go to the first page where you want to remove the number. Place your cursor at the very beginning of the page. Click the Layout tab, choose Breaks, and select Continuous to create a section break. Step 6. Move to the next page where you don't want page numbers and repeat the same process. Go to Layout, click Breaks, and select Continuous, and do this for every page where the numbering should change. Step 7. Double-click on the header or footer area of a page to activate editing. Look for the option called Link to Previous and click it to turn it off, which separates this section from the previous one. Step 8. Move to the next section or page and repeat the same process. Double-click the header or footer and turn off Link to Previous, so page numbers can be edited independently. Step 9. Finally, go to the sections where you do not want page numbers. Click on the page number and press the backspace key to remove it. Then repeat this for all other sections as needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Microsoft Word tutorials.